We just replaced this damaged 9100 model section to a Wayne Dalton garage door like the one that we have right there. And what does it take to get these Wayne Dalton 9100 model sections replaced whenever they are damaged? Well, in this video we're going to show you how to do that, because we just did that for our customer for this garage door right here. Let's party. So we have here a Wayne Dalton 9100 model door. This door suffered a pretty bad accident. From what I understand, there was an ice chest. Door tried to close. The ice chest was there, and it created some problems, obviously, to those bottom sections. Now the challenge is, and this is one of the interesting things about these Wayne Dalton 9100 model doors, is that they actually change the style of the door from time to time. And I'll show you what I mean here shortly. Wayne Dalton changed their design in 2025, or yeah, I would say earlier this year. And the idea is that the Sonoma look is very different now. Apparently they shortened the styles in the center and on the sides. The look of the actual Sonoma square is also different. And so in order to take care of this customer, replacing that top section, we had to get an older section for this garage door. In reality, we needed a bottom section there too as well. We need to replace that bottom, but the customer is just looking for the top. So they have another Sonoma door right here. They match now, but in the event that you would have had to replace all of the sections to this garage door, well, it would not look the same to this door. So again, I'm just trying to communicate that when you are looking at your options and replacing garage door sections for the Sonoma, I'm going to say that it's going to be hard to try and get those sections to match. You're almost forced to get a new door if you're having to go that route. Save the top operator bracket. So clearly we're applying the vice grip so that way our door doesn't go up or move when we take off the top section, because it's going to be a weight variance. So that extra weight is what holds down the door. If we take off that top section, the door is going to want to go up. Trust me. Now that we've taken off the old door section, I'm going to get the new door section, and we're just going to apply it just as we've taken off the old one. I'm so sorry, I messed up. I was supposed to show you this diagram right here of the changes to the 9100 model garage door. And honestly, it's PDFs like this that are very important for our customers to understand whenever we talk about these changes, because they have no idea exactly why Wayne Dalton or any garage door company makes a change to their garage door system. But these visual aids give our customers a very good idea of what we're providing them, and at the same time, how they're able to make a better buying decision. Now, a lot of these files and formats and pictures, we're able to include this in our quotes to our customers, and Jobber makes that super easy for us, because let's be honest, when it comes to these files, photos, and videos, sometimes they get lost, sometimes they get erased, and it makes everything disorganized. But Jobber has literally saved us from that. Whenever we create a client profile, we're able to store all of the files, all of the pictures, the before and after, and that gives the customer a really good idea of not just what they're getting, but what the pain point was like before. So if you're ready to level up your home service business game, then check out the first link in the description below for a free trial and a special discount. One of the things that we're going to be doing differently is we're going to be installing a top strut to stabilize that top section. And it's going to help so that way, if they have a situation like this, the top section will sustain or resist a little bit better any type of damage. Now, that's not to say that it won't suffer damages or that it won't get damaged. It will get damaged still. It's an extra step to be able to ensure that, again, this 9100 top section is just going to last a little bit longer. These doors are really light too, and they can bend really easily. So just be careful applying it. You don't want to be too forceful. You can bend these sections. They get super dirty. At this point, you can go ahead and take off your vice grip because the weight of the door has now been stabilized. In fact, it's going to work a lot better with that new strut. So now that we have the top section up, I just want to go ahead and test the travel to the door. Super light. It's a good thing because that basically means that our TorqueMaster Plus spring system, it's working good and it's not broken. So that's such a good sign. That's what we want. I'm going to go ahead and connect the garage door opener J-arm to the top section. I'm going to put the top operator bracket, get this opener up and running, and we should be good to go. So the takeaway here is basically when you are replacing a Wayne Dalton 9100 model section, keep in mind that the older style, the older design will fit this look. It'll be the same spacing, it'll be the same Sonoma style look, but the new 2025 versions or the newer doors will not look like this. So if you're having to piece out sections, or if you're having to put a top section or bottom section or several sections, just know that they're not going to look the same. And so you want to be mindful of this. Clearly this customer is going to have to paint the door, but we've done our part to be able to replace that damaged top section, stabilize it, and get him up and running. So no doubt you probably have some thoughts and comments about all of this. Please, if you've ever had to replace your Wayne Dalton garage door section, chime down below. And of course, you dealer installers, let us know how you have managed or approached this. If there's any suggestions you can provide the community, that'd be really great. We got a number of other videos right here about the Wayne Dalton garage door system. As always, I want to thank y'all for partying with me. Y'all stay safe.